YOLO! Yo! Let me pet the cat. Let me pet the cat. My name's Pussy the cat. The cat base. It's a cat. It's a cat. Oh my god, that's scary. That's scary. Oh my god. Oh my god, that's a real legit cat, bro. That's a cat. There's another one over there. There's another one spying on us. Anyways, he wants the he's taking a close look at the cat, and seems like the cat can't get over. Hear him, he's gonna jump over. I swear to God, if he jumps over, he will jump over. I swear to God, this is gonna be comedy gold. This will get 1 million views. I swear to God. Weird cat thing. Serious? Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay.
Oh my god.
And oh, stop it! It's a real cat, bro. Are you kidding me?
Oh my gosh, so big. I'm scared of cats.
You're scared of cats? That's actually legit. That's a cat. We can get a thumbnail. We can get a thumbnail of the cat. Oh! No, this is inappropriate. I want to see the cat. Woo! Cat. I want to pet the cat. Pussy cat. Pussy cat. Is it scared of me? That's actually a pussy cat. Oh my god. Nope, this is not appropriate. You know what? To get a better view. You do know that there's a cat in the hallway, right? You do know there's a cat in the hallway, just like spying on. Don't take a look at that over there. Let me take a closer. I swear to God, if she gets the cat out of here, do not the male kid is out. This is gonna be entertaining. This is entertaining. I 100% enjoy this. I 100% enjoy this. This is entertainment. You get 5 million likes. Guys, if this video gets 2 likes, I will like early. Oh my god. If this video gets 3 likes, I will do a part 2. I release it, alright? Come on, the cat. The cat. Where did the other one go? Oh, the other one's there. Oh my god! There's another cat. This is cat 2. God, that's scary. Oh! Stop! 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 Just quiet. This is a beautiful video. Run, 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 run. Run. shelter. This shelter. What are you doing? What is he doing? That is legit. Oh my God. He's going in circles. This is gonna be comedy gold. This is the perfect video. I'm making too much cat jokes. There's another cat. Let me see the other cat. The other cat is not loved. Hello. Meow. And there's the other cat. He's oh my God. Oh my God. He's taking a look at the. No, don't do it. Don't do anything. There we go. Perfect. This is gonna be a thumbnail. This is gonna be the thumbnail. The two kittens. Well, they're not kittens. They're technically cats. But I swear to God, if it comes into our base, I will murder. Nope, not kidding. There we go. Cat 1, cat 2. Look at that adorable, the adorable cat. No. Oh. All right. I mean, yeah. It's scary, but true. You're gonna pet the cat. Oh my God. I personally like the black one more. This one's just devilish. Oh, that cat. Luckily, I got this video on tape. This is definitely the scariest video I've ever made. Take the cat off. Oh my God! Alright, we're gonna cut the video here. I think I had enough. The cats are taking over the house, and I'm scared for my life. Control these cats! Come on! Control the cats! Right, put it down. Why are you scared of your own cat? Animal control. This is animal control. It's gonna scratch your face. I swear to God. Perfect. I personally think the gray one's much better. Because that cat is a boy, that one is a girl. So I'm not sure. You guys vote which one's better, the black cat or the brown cat. I think it's falling asleep. So we'll come back. Here's the girl. This is the girl. I'm not sure. I like this one more. I like this cat more. That one. It's basically a pug, but a cat. So, shh. We're gonna spy on the cat. Alright, I think this is a bad idea. The cat is not asleep. Alright, he's not asleep. Graham, he's awake, Graham. Graham, he's not asleep. He's actually awake. He just rested. Are you kidding me? That's the worst. Where did the cat go? I think I went into the. Are you sure about that? Oh yeah, there it is. Meow. Alright. So we cut back. Yep. Absolutely. Ooh, it scared me. Let's take a live cam view of the. Yeah. And if it jumps down, this is gonna be if this cat jumps down now, it has to get 10 likes. This has to get 10 likes. Ah! Stop. Well, PURR. The other one is oh my god! Oh my god, that's scary. The cat. That cat literally jumped in the sky and just chased him. That is the scariest thing this day. I think this is the scariest thing. No, the cat ran down the hole and jumped up and then like tried to strap. That is scary. Pillow. Pet the cat. And the cat is awake. I like that one more, but that was scary. That was super scary. A lamp. I want to pet it, but Jesus, I don't like to pet because I have a pet allergy. All right. This is actually our fort. This is the shelter. If you don't like cats, you can get in here and just save. Just a little random video. So, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.